We are in the Pasar Ramadan now, the Ramadan market. And today is the second day of the fasting month. We are in Banjarbaru now. Today the breakfast is 6:38 p.m. and the stalls start to open at 4 p.m. I think as early as 3 p.m. Hi. This is ikan bakar, ayam bakar, ada ikan bakar.
Bukan fotonya bohong itu.
Hai.
Yang ada bu.